Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So it is the last day of the challenge and I'm gonna turn my phone back on today. Well, I'm gonna show it to you now. I've not turned it on yet, so at the end of this video we're gonna turn it on. Now let's keep everything aside and talk what I've done on day 7. Well, today is the last day of the challenge and I kind of felt bad because I was enjoying this 7-day challenge really well, even though I've told yesterday I was disappointed for reasons we will keep aside for now. And also, I woke up 2 days on day 4. I mean, 3 days ago on day 4, and I looked at my phone and I was really disappointed. Let's keep this aside, but I have really enjoyed this challenge. And the one thing I learned in this challenge was I, even though I turned off my phone, I did not miss on the things which I did not I missed on the things I did every day. And that may be like going out with friends, or like even having to go out for a walk or anything. But I was missing on all these things, and finding my childhood toys was another great thing which wouldn't have been possible without this challenge. That is because if it wasn't for this challenge, I wouldn't have even turned off my phone, and I would probably was using it like every other day, and I wouldn't have even found my helicopter, and it would sit there for some more years and waiting to get discovered. Well, this has been my most memorable challenge yet. I really like to tell this, but I've also done some challenges in the past, like going on a scavenger hunt to find my Christmas presents and building a secret room in the car, which were, would like to say it honestly, even though it got me views and most of my family members liked it and it was a fun way, it was not half as memorable as this. I'm really honestly telling this, it was not half as memorable as this. In this challenge, I got to see what all I was missing when with the phone being with me. Although it is like my best friend, I told you some things cannot change if the phone becomes your best friend, and it cannot replace your real friends you have. And that is one thing I learned in this challenge. So keeping all those aside, on day 7, I was really happy. I woke up today very early and I was going for a jog today. Did not take my bicycle anywhere and took it in the evening for a 3-kilometer drive. I went to my house and sat there for a couple of minutes in the AC, had a little Sprite, and came back. So that was great today, and all of this has reminded me that it is one of my best challenges yet. And I have to tell you this, but I am actually gonna miss doing this challenge from even the moment I turn my phone back on. So this is how much I love it and I'm attached to this challenge very much right now. Well, also using my this phone was also memorable for me because I haven't used it like this since I got my phone on January last year. Well, I'm gonna show you the digital well-being report and let's see if this challenge really helped me. And even my phone unlocked by the face unlock. Okay, settings, digital well-being. I'm smiling too much, but also I'm basically like almost about to cry because this challenge has been really great. Okay, now digital well-being, and let's see the screen time. What happened? Yeah. Okay, it's loading. Okay, view activity details. So let's total till today. So I started the challenge on when, yeah, last Friday. So Saturday first day, Sunday second, Monday third, Tuesday fourth, Wednesday fifth, Thursday 6th, and Friday 7th day. So on Friday I have used it for 1 hour, and on Saturday I've used it for 1 hour 45 minutes. On Sunday 1 hour 26 minutes. I'm gonna add the hours and the minutes later. On Monday I've used it 2 hours and 13 minutes. Tuesday 3 hours and 14. On Wednesday, which was 2 days ago, I've used it 1 hour 56 minutes. Thursday, oh, I'm sorry, I started the 7-day challenge on Friday, which means, yeah, I'm told Friday was tomorrow at 7. I'm sorry. Thursday I started it. Friday was day 1, Saturday day 2, Sunday day 3, Monday day 4, and Tuesday is day 5, Wednesday day 6, and Thursday is day 7. So on day 7 I'm turning it back. So today I've used it for 35 minutes. So we're gonna total everything from last Friday. 38 plus 1 hour 42, 1 plus 2 hours, 4, 6, 7. So the grand total comes up to 10 hours and 45 minutes if you count all the minutes, seconds, and everything. 10 hours and 45 minutes, so 6 minutes and 20 seconds this video has been recorded. And I also had a lot of fun with my helicopter and stuff. And I'm about to find my charger. It's still in my room. It's still a mess there. I'm trying to find it, but I've got it all cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, time to turn on my phone. Big moment. Can't believe I've turned off for 7 days. But before I turn on, I have to tell you something. This challenge was easy for me. It really made me understand what I was missing when I was having two phones. But am I planning to do a 2-week challenge where I'll turn off my phones? The answer is maybe, may not be. It's a 50-50 probability. That is because I miss having one phone around, and if two are gone, I don't know what. So after I shift to my new house and move in, I'm gonna talk about it to you viewers in another video. So time for the big moment. 3, 2, 1. Turning on after 7 days. It feels so good. Just crying out of happiness. I'm sorry. This challenge got me to realize some things are more important than phone. Okay? It's taking a while than usual. So we're gonna wait for it. Yeah, came back on. Phone is back in business. Okay, I'm gonna unlock it now. So how do you feel after 7 days of resting? If the phone had the thing to speak, I would speak to it directly, but phones are non-living and notifications are starting to pop up now. I did not think about it now until the first notification came, so I'm gonna unlock my phone right now. Use your password after restart, it's telling. Okay, 1 minute please. Okay, it's on and the phone is back in business. So now let's check the digital well-being report. Okay, settings. Although it still needs some time to adjust after having slept for 7 days, it's got a little bit slow, but it got adjusted now. Okay, so now it's a little bit different in Samsung compared to. Okay, another notification is popping up. Oh my god! Oh my god, you cannot believe this. Just see this for yourself. 0 minutes, same as yesterday. Only thing the phone did not know is I did a challenge and 0 minutes I've used it about 7 days and it's not yesterday. Okay, so that's it for today. This was day 7 and I've turned on my phone back now. So I was waiting for this thing from the morning and came back. So I'm gonna take a selfie as a remembrance to the 7 day challenge, and I'm going to post it as my profile on this video. Okay, now let's take a really good picture. Oh my god, I'm getting confused after using this phone. Okay, selfie. But yeah, it's a little bit, yeah. I'm gonna keep it here. It's kind of little bit hard. Yeah. So I'm gonna show my phone. I'm gonna keep it like this with my other phone in my hand and the tablet here. Alright. I'm gonna just adjust it and get back to you. Okay, it's fully adjusted, and yeah, let's take a great photo after 7 days. 3, 2, 1. And done. So this was something of the out of the two things which I made to remember this 7 day challenge which I did, and hopefully it has all okay. Another notification is popping up, like there are some new updates for the apps and other things like that. So let's keep all of it aside. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a nice day as always.